Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here.
Shelby Rollins.
And we are Vocalab Collective. What up, Shelby?
Well, I'm here to watch some music videos with you.
Thanks for coming over and hanging.
Yeah.
Thank you all for hanging with us wherever you are around the world at this moment in time in your lovely, beautiful lives. It could be. Here's the cool thing about doing this. We're doing this in this specific moment in time.
Yes, we are.
Right? Which is known as what?
Present.
Which is known as the Greek is?
Kairos?
Kairos.
Okay.
Whoa! Shelby rolling it out.
Haha.
Right? That's cool.
I know
That's
some things.
A unique moment in time. We're making that happen right now. What's really cool about this is this goes on forever and people can watch it in their own unique moments in times at any moment in time, and that's fun.
And is that kind of like Chronos?
That's the Chronos. Yeah. That's the...
Right on.
Yeah, Chronos and Kairos. You're learning everything on this channel today, and guess what? You'll keep learning more.
You might need subtitles for those words. Carlos, we're gonna need subtitles for Kairos.
You'll keep learning more, and you'll get more unique moments in time if you hit that subscribe button for us. Join us here on the channel.
Because 93.8% of you aren't subscribed.
Wow.
Wow. That is shocking.
Wow, that is... Imagine what could happen if we had 100% subscription base.
Has that ever happened?
I know, probably not.
Oh my gosh, that's a really staggering statistic, Carlos.
Yeah, really
93% of you are voyeurs, and you're not members.
I know. Hit that subscribe button, follow us there, go listen to our podcast, and then jump on over to Patreon where we put lots of BTS kind of stuff on there. We got a great video for you today, one of my favorite songs of all time.
Absolutely.
Sang it many times. Here we go. Bridge Over Troubled Water, Katrina Velarde, we love you.
And?
Mariane Osabel. I'm not sure if I know Mariane.
Okay.
Maybe I do and I don't know it.
Let's get to know her.
What's the So Young version?
What is that?
It's an artist from South Korea.
So cool.
First line you're in.
Yes.
Oh, what a song.
I am feeling the power version of this chorus to come. Because she's high in her head voice, so she's going to lay into that later. I know
she is.
Amazing blowout also. Her hair looks fabulous.
I thought the same thing. Like, who does her hair? Yeah, come on, girl. Start to build this.
This song is like, has like 3 or 4 verses. It's a long song.
It's a long song.
Yeah. It's not the abridged over Troubled Waters.
Ah, see what you did there. That was clever.
Effortless. Ooh. Oh, hot dang.
Wow.
Holy cow. Oh, yeah.
Whew. Yeah, that's what I say, girls. Exhausted. They're coming back from round 2.
Yeah, they are. I mean, we still got time. Ooh. Wish she pulled that back. Dang. Ooh, that light mix. Yes. Hard to do.
Cool! That's so sick.
Oh, heck, yeah. Those lights. That's right.
We got our own show going here. What's happening?
Oh, yeah. That hit.
Wow!
This is Katrina Velarde.
Oh, hi, Katrina.
Thank you so much for watching my collaboration
You're
with
welcome.
Mariane Osabel.
Thank you.
And right now, I'm inviting you to watch my concert, Seacon the Gen Z Icon Concert, this coming April 30, 8 p.m. at the Samsung Performing Arts
We
Theater,
missed it.
30
That already happened.
We missed it.
Tickets.
That's
Hey,
in the past.
yeah, that's in the past.
Okay, the way
Wow, that's
they're
get
like
it
high, hard mix and harmony with each other there at the end, like
insane.
oh, yeah. It's like it scratched an itch. Needed
Yeah,
it.
totally. And her little like, her finessing runs in there like. That was a holy golden cow. Bum, bum, bum. All of it. That was insane.
It was wild.
Yeah, that's one of the things I miss so much about big singing in popular music.
Yeah.
Right, and I'm talking in the current music
Yeah.
space. This like the divas were so good in like
Yes.
90s, 80s, 90s, early 2000s, just bantering and playing off each other, and it just elevated everything. It was explosive.
I remember the movie Moulin Rouge. You remember that?
Yeah.
And the Voulez-vous coucher avec moi
Yeah,
song?
yeah.
Or whatever. What is that song
Yeah,
called?
yeah. That's oh gosh.
But they had all these divas together singing that. So they had like Christina Aguilera.
yeah.
They had who else was
I
in
forget
that?
who was in it. Patti LaBelle. She sang
Pink.
it at
I
one
think
point.
Pink was in it.
I don't know. We're just making all this up.
Anyway, it was that was like one of the more quote unquote recent. That was like 20 plus years ago.
Lady Marmalade. That was
Yeah,
it.
and they were all together singing that song. And I don't know that I would. It's very, very different from what this experience was, but it was kind of fun. Like bring all the power vocals together and let's sing a song. It's fun when you bring all these people together. So that was really satisfying.
Very satisfying.
Yes.
Loved it.
And her hair, fabulous.
Yeah.
I want to blow out like that every day.
We need hair and makeup. Carlos, help us with this.
Make it happen.
Y'all make it happen. Hit that subscribe button. We'll keep it coming at you.
Yeah.
Until next time, I am Jason Katrina,
I am Shelby Bryant.
and we are Vocal Lab Collective.